So we're looking to cooperate with mills around identifying opportunities in the US and also opportunities here that might be interesting to consumers both in the US and also in this part of the world.
Really believe and are passionate about the same mission of the mills to promote and protect Hong Kong's legacy as being textile innovation.
It's also interesting to see corporates willing to come and support innovators.
Event was kind of what they thought about sustainability and what some of the challenges were, or what we had talked about in sustainability, and the words that came back were all very positive. I thought that was interesting because many of the things we had just talked about were about the very big gaps between the innovators and the supply chain itself.
It really brings a lot of perspective to what we're doing by hearing other people speak about what problems they have from like the brand side. It's always really interesting to see like where the different perspectives are, which is why I think these workshops are really helpful. It just increases your perspectives, helps a lot.
我觉得我们以后会更多的来参与这场活动。